Ria Homes offers accessibility of suburban living and the serenity of quiet, peaceful, and affordable house and lot community. We are strategically located along National Highway, Barangay Palestina, Pili, Camarines Sur. Ria Homes Camsur is a 23-hectare development with 1.5 hectares of commercial or showcase area and the 1.3 hectares of central open spaces. With over 2,400 saleable units from row houses, townhouses, to bungalows. In Bria Homes, we can make your dream of owning a home a reality.